Just got this in, so this is the Hongwang drone, or well, almost, because this is just the body. We have to put on the arms of this little guy. So here are the arms. You get 2 with a green LED, 2 with a red LED, and those are for orientation. And the instructions are very, very clear on how to put these arms on. So the drone has labels at the end of each arm. There's B1 and B2. So I'm going to take the B2 arm and put it on B2. B2 to B2, and you press this little lock back here, and then it just snaps into place. So we're just going to do that for all the other arms now. And that's it. You're ready to go. It's all done, put together, and you can start flying. The battery is a 1-cell 900 milliampere hour battery, and it's got a standard kind of connector. So the batteries are not proprietary, meaning you could probably buy any kind of 900 milliampere hour battery for this, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and turn the drone on. Alright, so just a quick overview of the controller here. We've got this 1 key button to start the motors and also take off. We've also got this button here to change the speed rates. It's got automatic yaw, which is sort of like a gimmick, but it'll automatically spin. That's this button here. Over here we pretty much have our trim buttons, and then this button here is the headless mode. The controller is designed to take a phone. If you have the camera version, I do not. So we're gonna go ahead and bind it. And we're off. So there it is. Got to trim it out a little bit. It does seem to be wanting to move that way. That should help. There we go. We got in a pretty stable hover now. Altitude hold seems to be working properly. No issues with that. I'm just adjusting the speed rates. Oh! Woo! Alright, it's fast. The motors have got some decent torque, I think. Yeah, it's relatively fast. All right, so we're gonna try this auto-yaw stuff. Let's give it a shot. Oh, see, it just kind of makes it spin in a circle. There's your auto-yaw. That can't be practical. You can't use that for anything practical. That's just fun to watch it spin automatically in a circle. I will say this, you really need to watch your orientation with this model. You really do, because notice how it's kind of difficult to see the lights depending on how far away out you are. It's really not easy to see. Mostly it's because of this spider-like design, these feet here, they tend to hide the lights. So yeah, orientation, depending on how far away this thing is a little bit of a thing. Alright, well, I guess I might as well see how far I can fly this thing. So we just flew out and came back here. Let's see how far we can go. The control actually starts getting a little laggy right about out there. Yeah, I'm starting to have control issues of just about out to there. And because it's really hard for me to see my orientation, I don't know how to fly this thing back. All right, wait a sec. See if I can do this. Let's turn it around. See if I can see the green. Oh, it's really hard to see. I gotta come forward. There we go. There's the red to the back. There we go. But that was not easy. Yeah, the lights are really bright, but it's a shame that they tend to be blocked by the spider design. The spider design is really cool, but yeah, it's a shame that the lights are just, you can't even see them. So you really have to watch your flying around the fastest rates here, just sort of burning down the battery. It's looking like we're gonna get about, I don't know, 5 minutes of flight time, maybe 5 to 7, depending on the wind, depending on a variety of conditions. I'd say it's a pretty cool toy. I think you do have with having a little bit better range, but I mean, it was acceptable. Not much farther than that, my SEMA would die. So, you know, you got to look at it in terms of that when it comes to the range. It's plenty fast. We've got the lights blinking that tell us the battery is low, but it looks like it still feels punchy. It doesn't feel like I've got any sag on the battery. Still whipping around pretty good. I'm trying that auto-yaw. I get a little bit of a kick out of that, even though you can't do anything practical with it. Oh, I think that was it. I think that was it for the battery. So yeah, the battery life was all right. It wasn't too bad. So what do I think of the Hongwang drone? Well, I think it's actually a pretty fun toy. It's a shame that this cool little spider design, again, blocks the lights. I mentioned that multiple times. But I really do like the modular arms. I really haven't seen other manufacturers do that. And it's kind of convenient, especially if they sell replacement arms, that let's say a motor dies, you can just replace the arm. And that's it. You've got a whole thing working again. Usually these toys are just kind of made to throw away. They're not made in a modular design. So I'm actually hoping to see some replacement arms for this thing come on the market. Right now I don't think there are any at the time of this video, but it's a wonderful possibility. The drone itself is also really, really cheap. It's under $30 at the time of making this video. So if you're looking for just a cheap toy with altitude hold, this is a decent one. I liked it. I thought it was good. I thought it was good for what it is. Definitely can recommend this in the pile of toy drones that are out there. All right, that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, drop a like. If you didn't like it, you know where that button is. And as always, have a great day, guys. I'm gonna go do some flying.